Oracle's certainly well known in the IT world and has worked very closely with CIOs for a long time. And now with the acquisition of Tekelec and Acme, you're kind of squarely in the network. Maybe you could walk us through what Oracle is doing to bring those two groups along towards this path towards NFV and other service creation and service innovation.
I mean, certainly we see, and it's key to our strategy in terms of can we drive the pace and what can we do to add value from our IT heritage as part of IT and network convergence. And yes, absolutely, we have a heritage with the CIO organizations. The CTO organization, I think increasingly what we're starting to see is the joint connections between those things, classically and very much reinforced by Tekelec around policy and charging, where there was a bit of a divide between those kind of capabilities. But if we look forward to the kind of services that telcos need to be able to deliver, you've really got to think about those as a whole. They've got to be cognizant of each other. They've got to really synchronize together in terms of personalization of services. And some organizations that comes together in one CTIO organization, some it's still separate. But we need to basically translate some of the ways in which we talk into the things which are driving those different organizations, and often perform a role to actually bring them into one room. And we use some quite interesting workshopping techniques to try and bring them together and work through the problem together, where we also try and use some of our business relationships to get the business people in the room to actually work out, well, what services and products you need to do and how does the network and IT need to come together in a different way. So those are just some of the ways in which we're trying to do it, but it's undoubtedly a challenge for the industry as a whole to make this a lot tighter.